you need to sit down and hold tight. You're about to witness some incredible games, sights and creativity. Salute Explorer. I'm back in the Wargaming trenches. I'm at Europe's largest Wargaming convention, Salute. I'm very excited for this one, although a little nervous because the last time I was here my video did really well, so I'm feeling a little bit of pressure, so hopefully I can follow that up with something good. We've got a lot to fit in because this really is a huge Wargaming show, and last time I don't feel like I got enough out of the day, so hopefully I'm going to rectify that because today I have a plan. So, the plan. Last time, I did lots of walking around, bought some stuff, looked at all the stalls, looked at all the wargaming tables, but I don't think I got the full experience of Salute. This time, as a one-year veteran, I feel like I know what I'm doing. So the strategy today is get some games in while it's busy, have some lunch, then come back and tackle the stalls, talk to some of the stand holders, see some of the newer games, see what's out there, and of course, do a bit of purchasing. Let's get to it. That much gaming yet because it's just too much to see and to do. People have been coming over and saying hello. I've been chatting to people at the gaming tables. Everyone's just super friendly and I don't even know where to start. It's really busy and that has meant it's very hot in here. I arrived with a vest, t-shirt, jumper, and the first thing I had to do was run to the bathroom to strip down to cool off. But I'm back on the floor. I'm hoping to try and get a few games in, but I'm quite happy just chatting to people and seeing what's what because there's so much awesome stuff to see and to take in. Let's get back to it. Salute is a pretty huge event, must be a massive undertaking, and guess what? It's a not-for-profit event. It's all run by volunteers since 1972. Any money that's made just gets put into the fund for the next Salute, which is nuts because there's just so much here. There's rows and rows of stalls, gaming tables, there's a panel area, painting competition. It's just an endless stream of wargaming fun to be had. So let's go and see some of that. That's a bit scary, very creepy. things that I love about Wargame shows, and particularly Salute, is just all the incredible wargaming tables that are here. There's loads, and they cover everything you can think of, from historical, military, wargaming to fantasy, pulp, sci-fi, anything you can think of. There's probably some kind of table representing it. But it's not just the variety, it's just the artistry and the craft skill and just the sheer creativity of some of them. So many incredible displays here, but I'm not going to describe them. Let's go and actually have a look at them, because they're just too good to not see. Look at this, so clever. You think we're just playing on the water, some normal water warfare game, but no, hold your breath. I mean, look at this, absolutely ridiculous. How much detail have they managed to cram in? There's so much going on, all the buildings, all the people, all the cars, everything, so much to see. It's been hours looking at just this one, but there's so many more to see. So I don't seem to have played any games yet. Every time I go over to one of the ones I like a look of, they're in the middle of a game, and then I go off and do something else, and then get distracted. There's just too much to fit in today. One of my key strategies and top tips for the day was to wait right till the back end of the day to get in and look at the painting competition and do some filming. Well, it is the back end of the day and it's still really crowded and difficult to see what's going on at the painting competition. So let's head over. I'm going to do my best to try and film some of it for you. Wish me luck.
Wargaming.
power for the day is seriously compromised. Last weekend I went to Birmingham Toy Fair and really overspent, so I can only afford a few treats for myself today. I've picked up a Cobra Commander and some Shock Troops, which I'm pretty happy with. They're not for any kind of game I'm playing, they're just for a diorama I'm working on, so looking forward to getting those home and painted. So my attempt to play some war games was ground to a halt. I haven't played any, but that's okay, because I've had a really amazing day. I've just met loads of awesome people. Last time when I came, I had a good time, but I walked around, filmed, purchased stuff, and left. Whereas this time, I've taken the time to chat to people, and I think that's what's made the difference, that human connection, just chatting to people and enjoying everyone's company. So if you're going to a war game show, make sure you talk to some other people, you'll get way more out of it. It's been a really fantastic day. Thank you to everyone that's come over to say hi, and everyone else that has been here to make it such a fantastic experience. So if you've enjoyed this, click left to see my last war game show, ChillCon, or click right to see the last Salute video. Otherwise, I'll see you soon, Explorers.